Pipe Doctor Plumbing and Heating. We're doing a video of this service call. It appears to be a carrier condenser. Maybe it's a Payne or Bryant, but definitely made by United Technologies. Looks like other companies have been here before. When I came here under this awesome canopy, wow. I found that the condenser fan motor was running, but I didn't hear the sound of the compressor. So I turned off the disconnect, took off the access panel, and I found that the capacitor, this is a dual capacitor, this is a 70, 7.5 at 370. I found that it was swolled up on the top a little bit, leaking a little bit of the oils that are within it, and we're gonna swap this out. And that should solve the problem. If you see a swollen capacitor, you swap out the whole thing. You don't put in, another capacitor for a fan, because that one died. You replace the whole capacitor. That is the professional thing to do. All right, so I'm gonna swap this out. Be right back. All right, guys, so this was a 77.5 dual capacitor. Came at the service call, found that the capacitor was swollen, leaking some lubricant to the top. The compressor wasn't starting up. Took off the access panel, and I found that the secondary capacitor for the fan was present. All right. Also has a tech assist port, so this is definitely a United Technologies product. And it turns out that compressor, early morning, the condenser fan motor was replaced once before. The capacitor that they added is a 10. So I added, that was a 70, I put another 70 in its place, but a single 70 just for the compressor. And right now I'm just waiting for the pressures to stabilize. But here you go, the service call by the Pipe Doctor Plumbing and Heating. If you have any questions, comments, drop them down in the comment section down below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel, give us some support. We're really looking for a goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the summer. Thank you again for watching. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe. And if you need any help in the New York metropolitan area, give us a call. We'd love to help you. It's July 1st, 2018. Plumber Mike, signing off.